Imagine this. You start something new with excitement, but after a few days you feel, maybe this is not for me. Or you make a plan, but suddenly things change, and you need to explain yourself politely. These small moments happen in real life all the time, but many English learners feel stuck. They don't know the right words to express these feelings clearly and naturally. Today, you will learn 5 powerful English phrases that will help you handle these situations with confidence. When something is not right for you, when someone misunderstands you, when you change your mind, or when plans don't go as expected. Hello, and welcome to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. Let's learn how to speak naturally in these real-life moments. Let's start with a simple story. Imagine you join a painting class. In the beginning, you feel excited. You buy colors, brushes, everything. But when you start painting, it feels difficult. Your work does not look good, and slowly you feel frustrated. After a few days, you realize this is just not right for you. In this situation, you can say, "I'm not cut out for this." This means you feel you do not have the natural skill or interest for something. It is not about being bad, it just means it does not suit you. You can say, "I'm not cut out for painting," or "I'm not cut out for this job." This phrase helps you express your feelings honestly, but politely. Now, imagine something else happens. Your friend sees your painting and says, "You didn't try hard enough." But that is not true. You really tried your best. This can feel a little unfair, right? In this moment, you can calmly say, "Don't make assumptions." An assumption is when someone believes something without knowing the real facts. This phrase helps you stop misunderstandings in a polite but clear way. You can also explain more by saying, "Don't make assumptions. I actually worked very hard, but it was difficult for me." Notice how calm and confident this sounds. Now, let's continue the story. You decide to quit the painting class. You feel sure about your decision, but after a few days, you start thinking again. Maybe I should try one more time. Maybe I stopped too early. This feeling is very common. When you start to doubt a decision, you can say, "I'm having second thoughts." It means your first decision is no longer strong. You are thinking again. You can say, "I'm having second thoughts about quitting," or "I'm having second thoughts about this decision." This phrase is very useful when your feelings change. Because you feel unsure, you decide to meet your friend and talk about it. You plan to meet at 3 p.m., but at 2:50, you are still at home looking for your keys. You check the time and realize you will be late. In this situation, you can quickly message, "I'm running late." This is a very natural and common phrase. Instead of saying, "I will be late," native speakers often say, "I'm running late." You can also add more detail. "I'm running late for our meeting," or "I'm so sorry, I'm running late." It sounds natural, polite, and real. Now, one final situation. It is already 3:30 p.m. Your car is not starting, and now you cannot go at all. You feel bad, but you still want to meet your friend another day. So what can you say? You can say, "Let's take a rain check." This means you cannot do the plan today, but you want to do it in the future. It's a very friendly and polite way to cancel. You can say, "I'm really sorry, something came up. Let's take a rain check." Or ask, "Can I take a rain check?" It shows respect and care for the other person. So today, you learned how to handle real-life situations in English. You learned to say, "I'm not cut out for this" when something does not suit you, "Don't make assumptions" when someone misunderstands you, and "I'm having second thoughts" when you start to doubt a decision. You also learned, "I'm running late" for delays, and "Let's take a rain check" to politely cancel and reschedule. These are simple phrases, but they make your English sound natural and confident. Now it's your turn to speak. Tell me in the comments, have you ever had second thoughts about something? Or when was the last time you had to take a rain check? Try to write your answer in a full sentence using today's phrases. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can keep improving your English step by step. Thank you for learning with me today on the JISH Learn English Podcast. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.